Want to change the passcode of your Apple Watch? By watching this tutorial, you can set a new code to keep your watch secure. Because in this video, I'll show you how to change the passcode on your Apple Watch step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. On your Apple Watch, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down, tap Passcode. Now tap Change Passcode. Enter current passcode. Now enter the new passcode. If you enter an easy passcode, it will suggest you to enter a strong passcode. If you want to keep this easy passcode, then tap Use Code. Or if you want to change, then tap Change. Enter the passcode again to confirm it, and it's changed. Method 2. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone now. Open the Watch app. Make sure you are in the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Passcode. It will ask you to unlock your Apple Watch, so unlock your Apple Watch first. Now tap Change Passcode from your iPhone. It will show Enter the passcode on your Apple Watch to change it. So now, go to your Apple Watch screen. Your Apple Watch will now prompt you to enter the current passcode using its on-screen keypad. After that, it will ask you to enter a new passcode. If you enter an easy passcode, it will suggest you to enter a strong passcode. If you want to keep this easy passcode, then tap Use Code. Or, if you want to change, then tap Change. Enter the passcode again to confirm it, and it's changed. And this is how you can change the passcode on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.